Are you looking for more ways to boost your immune system and hopefully avoid cold and flu season this year? If you are, then this video is for you. My name is Jessie Lane Lee and I'm a holistic nutritionist here to explain how probiotics can boost your immune system. And yes, we know all about probiotics and how they're so good for digestion. I have other videos on that, so please go check those out. But today I'm here to explain the link between our immune system and probiotics. I am also here to introduce you to 2 probiotic supplements by Nutridome. So first, I wanted to quickly explain what probiotics are. In our gut, it is a fine balance of good bacteria and bad bacteria. When the bad bacteria takes over, we get things like digestive issues, fatigue, skin issues, our immune system gets compromised, a lot of things that we just do not want. So we need to add good bacteria into our gut so we don't get that and we keep that balance to more good guys than the bad guys. Probiotics are a really good way to keep that balance. When we talk about the link between probiotics and the immune system, we first have to talk about the microbiome, which is that whole ecosystem in our gut. There are studies now that show that the microbiome has a profound effect on our immune system. And it's really exciting that this is being studied more and more. The microbiome controls how our immune system works, and it controls how it actually takes action against pathogens. It has to do with that communication between our gut and our immune cells. Probiotics are really important because they help bring that balance, bring that good bacteria to the microbiome. And they do help identify and target those harmful pathogens. So they do play such an important role in our overall immune system, not just our digestion. When you're looking to add more probiotics to your diet, you can first turn to food. Things like yogurt, kombucha, kimchi, sauerkraut, all delicious sources of probiotics. When you're looking at kombucha and yogurts, just make sure you're reading the labels if you're not making it yourself, because I find very often these products are super high in sugar because they want to make them taste good, right? So with kombucha, there's going to be some sugar in there because you have to feed the bacteria in the kombucha to create the good bacteria and that kind of effervescence of kombucha. We just don't want extra added sugar after the fact, after the fermentation process is over. And with yogurt, when we look at all flavored yogurts, the sugar content in those is usually off the charts. So sticking to a plain, I like a Greek yogurt because there's lots of protein in there, full fat too. I like to get the full fat Greek yogurt. And then you can add a little bit of your own sweetener of choice, but it allows you to control the sugar. When we're looking at kombucha and sauerkraut, it's important to, if we're buying it, to get the stuff that's in the fridge. If it is on the shelf, it's been made shelf stable, which often means it's been pasteurized, which kills all of the bacteria in the product, including the good bacteria. Or you can make your own. If those kind of foods just aren't your jam and you're not into it or it sounds too complicated, don't worry, I've got you covered. Probiotic supplementation is a great choice. Nutridome has 2 different probiotics that we can choose from. There's this probiotic 40 billion that has 11 strains of bacteria, good bacteria in here. And then there's the 80 billion that has 14 strains of good bacteria. So this is a really easy way to get probiotics into your daily life, just taking the capsules if the food just seems way too complicated. So now you understand the link between the gut microbiome, good bacteria in our gut, those probiotics, and the immune system. They really do help with the communication of our immune system and targeting those harmful pathogens. You can get probiotics from your food, all of those delicious fermented foods, or you can try probiotic supplementation. Thank you so much for listening to this video today. I am sending you love, peace, and healthy eats. Bye.